fully upgraded. It has an upgraded seat post, bike rack, handlebars, and upgraded forks. There was only one problem that I ran into when doing this project, and that was the seat post. The kids' bike seat post was a different size, which meant I couldn't take an ordinary bike seat post and put it in. So what I did is I took the kids' bike seat post and I took the ordinary seat post and I hammered it in. But the kids' bike seat post wasn't strong enough, so it meant if I could find a bike with a bigger hole, I would be able to ride and just sit down and enjoy the wind. It doesn't use a lot of energy. You don't use a lot of energy riding this because of the gear ratio. It doesn't go that fast, but it's good for just cruising around. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.